All right, week 19, day 3, build a research-based persona. We have an article here on why personas are important. There's a lot of debate about that. We've talked about that before, even in the Designorama, that some people feel that personas may not be relevant. Other people feel that they do. What I'm going to suggest is that they're very relevant in certain contexts, somewhat relevant in others, and not relevant in yet another context. And you really have to understand when it's appropriate to have these tools available to you. And some of it has to do with how well they are produced or how many sort of manifestations of them you have to support the activity, whether they're simple personas or super complex, and what you're using them for. So use your research from day 1, day 2, draft a lightweight persona. I would say find the primary one that you think is most relevant to the product or service that you're working on. Include a name, maybe a photo, a summary quote about what matters to them the most based on your survey findings and synthesis. Talk about their goals and motivations, behaviors, frustration, and one possible opportunity statement. But you notice how there's not a lot here about age, gender, race, ethnicity, geographic region, so on and so forth. Some of that may be relevant, and if it is, may be included. So if this is something that's only relevant to someone who lives in a particular province of Canada, then list it. But I would stay away from the basic demographic stuff that has no direct connection to sort of the research you're doing right now. And maybe sketch here like a quick context of use. So where, how they engage with the products. This would be describing, if it's a service, the touch points that they connect with. If it's a product, it would be when they're using it, how they're using it. Is it something that is static that they approach, or something they carry on them, so on and so forth. But it's just a great way to learn about your users and learn how to communicate the important aspects of your users to others, to create an artifact that supports future conversations. These can be a lot of fun, a really great empathy exercise, and a really great test of your ability to think about how you surface relevant characteristics of your users in conversations. Looking forward to seeing everyone's personas, and we'll move on to day 4.